Okay, guys, so we keep hearing this really strange noise. We're not sure what it is, and we called the police and reported it because at first we thought it was gunshots. But I guess they sent a patrolman over there. They don't know what it is, as far as we know. But just listen. Wait, did you see that flash? Wait, I see flashes over there.
But that can't be thunder.
No, that doesn't look like thunder.
I mean
lightning, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see those flashes.
I can see the
Fireworks, maybe?
No, fireworks would go.
I don't know. I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, mostly fireworks. You'll hear.
Oh, wait.
Sounds like a pistol launch.
I don't even know if my phone is capturing this.
I don't know, but we'll listen to it.
I want to see if I only hear it when I see the lights.
It's over there now. What the freak?
We just heard it all the way over there as well. Are we missing something? Is it a holiday? Is there fireworks? Wait, I hear it again. No light this time.
I actually want to drive and see where it's loudest. But I don't want to drive because I don't want to get shot.
Yeah, sure, let's drive over where it sounds like we hear gunshots.
And get shot. I definitely. Best idea.
That's probably a cop over there.
I don't think so.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but anyway, we're gonna go inside now.